Alright, you guys, question number 1 is fairly easy. They actually give you the model to use. They give you the equation here. So the easiest thing to do is going to be to put this into the calculator. So I went ahead and I just did 77,000 minus 15,400 times x. And this depreciation, so it's worth less every year, right? It's worth 15,400 less every year. You're going to see this a lot with automobile depreciation in real life. That's when I deal with it in my own life. But let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to zoom fit. So on this particular calculator, it's 0 for zoom fit, graph it. Right, this is the line I'm going to sketch on the paper. And the easiest way to do this is just to find the intercepts. So the y-intercept is pretty easy. It's in the actual equation, 77,000, right? So 9,000, 8,000, it's going to be approximately here. Then I can use the table on the calculator to actually figure out the x-intercept. So I'm just going to do second graph, which is table, and it's right here, right where y is 0, x is 5. Okay, so that's going to be my point here. I'm going to go ahead and do 5, 0 there, and 77, 0, comma, 77,000 as part of my little sketch. So just take my straight edge, give it a little sketch there. Okay, so the y-intercept stands for how much it was worth at the beginning, and the x-intercept stands for how many years until it's not worth anything, right? So what is the value of the machine? $46,200. You can look at the table and get this answer. I'm just going to quickly do it algebraically so you can see what happens. So 46,200 is going to be my y value, equals 77,000 minus 400x. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is subtract 77,000, trying to get x by itself, so subtract 77,000 from each side, which is going to leave me with a negative number, right? But my slope is negative, so when I divide, that's going to become a positive number. So let me quickly do this. 46,200 minus 77. Negative 30,800, right? And then divide each side by negative 15,400, and you get x is equal to 2. So divided by, let's see, 15,400 is negative 2, but I know it's a negative divided by a negative is a positive, which I didn't put in there, so just 2. But don't forget to give me a good answer, right? We definitely need a complete sentence answer. So after 2 years, the machine will be worth $46,200, and I will quickly show you. You could have looked here. It just makes me nervous to tell you to always look on your calculator because sometimes it may be in between numbers, but right here you can double check yourself. After 2 years, it is $46,200.